Well, how long has it been since you visited a dentist, got your eyes checked, or was even looked at over by a doctor? Well, if you don't have insurance or are underinsured, then that may not be a luxury you can afford. But an organization called Remote Area Medical and thousands of volunteers want to offer you all of that for free this next weekend. Here with more are Teresa Gardner and Paula Meade with the Wise County Health Wagon. Welcome, ladies. I'm sure you've been busy. Great to have you. Well, Wise County's RAM is the biggest one in the world. Why do you think that's the case?
I think we're blessed to just have right here in our region the most caring, compassionate people that there is. We have about 30 core volunteers that work on this event year-round. There'll be about 1,700 volunteers that will converge on the event next weekend. And I think you couple that with the extensive healthcare needs in the nation, and you've got by default the largest healthcare outreach in the nation.
Yeah, it is certainly impressive when you see the army of people coming in and all the equipment and things they bring with them. You serve a record number of people every year. Any idea how many people are expected to show up this year?
Probably about 2,500 to 3,000 patients will come through the gates.
Yeah, it's always a big number. And what services can you receive at the fairgrounds this weekend?
Okay, our services continue to grow. We, of course, have our dental and vision, which is our most sought after. Dental will include cleanings, fillings, extractions, denture repairs, realignments, comprehensive vision exams will be available. Eyeglasses will be made on site. For those that do have a prescription for eyeglasses within the last year, we have a fast track. They don't have to go through the line. They can just bring their prescription. Eyeglasses will be made for them right there. We will have hearing exams available, assistance with obtaining hearing aids, a conglomerate of tests that just continue to grow each year. We're blessed to have Mountain State Heart Coach. They will be doing free cardiovascular risk screenings, including ultrasounds of the carotid and aortas, mammograms, bone density screening, women's health. We even have a dermatologist and a plastic surgeon that will be doing minor surgery and biopsies if needed. An oral surgeon will be on site to check for any suspicious oral lesions. Pulmonology clinic with Dr. Joseph Smitty will be there. Pulmonary function test will be done. Chest x-rays will be done. Diabetic screening and education will be done. Smoking cessation classes. Like I said, it just continues to grow. There's just such a great need. For those that do not need the the dental and vision, that only need medical, we have a fast track line that will allow them to go through a different entrance. It's a medical entrance, but this is only if they're not seeking the vision and dental, and this helps them go through a little bit quickly.
Yeah, there are long lines, and these people show up really early, even camp out outside of these fairgrounds. Now, most of it's first come, first served, but is there anything you need to sign up beforehand if you want to receive?
No, there's no pre-registration process. Just come and show up. There's no need to bring proof of income. We take people at their word. They do need to patients need to bring sunscreen, layer maybe a jacket in the morning. Sometimes it's cooler in the morning, hotter in the evening, water, and maybe an umbrella.
Yeah, and prepare to hang out all day, right? Yes. But there's food and water and everything provided there as well, so that's about it. Anything else you need before the big event as far as donations or help?
We can always use donations, and really in desperate need for donations, especially for next year. We have enough finances to cover this year, but we encourage people to help get the word out and tell their neighbors, because this is truly an event that can save their lives, and just help us get the word out. If they're going to have labs or go see the Mountain State's health coach, they do not need to eat or drink after 12 that night. Continue to take your medications, but please help us get the word out about this valuable event.
Yes, and if anyone is available this weekend or the night before RAM, we need volunteers to help set up and to get the fairgrounds ready. That's really a shortage that we have. That's really we don't get enough interest in.
Okay, so you'll be doing that work this weekend and next week?
This weekend through next week. Saturday, anyone have any free time that wants to help, show up at the fairgrounds at Wise at 9 o'clock.
All right, they need some manpower, so have you heard that call? Show up. Well, ladies, thank you so much. Certainly a huge event and a wonderful one at that. Wise County's Remote Area Medical will be July 22nd through the 24th at the fairgrounds in Wise County, Virginia. To learn more about RAM, log on to our website, WCYB.com.